Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change windshield wipers on a vehicle. This is universal way. Today we're going to work on a 2017 Nissan Rouge. You can look it up on the internet or you can check your manual to see what size you need. For this one you're going to need, for the passenger side, a 17-inch and for the driver's side a 26-inch. Pull the windshield wiper up, pull it back. There's a button right here. You push the button and it should slide right off. Come here, push, and then it pops right off. Alright, so this one has a cover. Pop the cover off and you can see it's got the rounded edge. This is where the rounded edge is. Goes in and then you'll snap right in. Once it snaps in, that's it. Lift it up. You're going to do the same thing. You lift from the button, free it up. Alright, now that you have it free, boom, it slides right off. Pop the cover. You got the groove right here where you want it to lock. That's it. That's how you change windshield wipers on a common vehicle, specifically a 2017 Nissan Rouge.